Hi there, welcome to the channel. This is Chris from Thinktech, and today we are going to do the unboxing of a kit of DDR4 from G-SKILL. So without further ado, let's get started now. So as you can see here, I have two kits of course, but we are going to open first one. Alright, so I get my trusted cutter. Alright, there it is. Let's open that and the box now. I will try not to be too long-winded, alright? And anyway, it will be very simple because in the box it's very bare. You have only the memory and one more thing, but you will see what it is. Here you have the stickers. Those are the awards that they won. You want to know more, please go to the website. So this one, it's a DDR4 3200. Okay, it's a 16 gig, which means 2 times 8. And here you can see what is compatible with. Although it's not written on the box, I do use AMD processor and it works fine. Alright, I'm using it right now to record this video. I'm not so, how would I say, efficient at editing, sorting out the video, but it will come, not to worry. So as you can see, one side is black, one side is gray, but it doesn't really matter because you can put them only one way in your computer. Okay, so let's have a closer look. Alright, there are the two sticks, and you can see clearly here, one side gray, one side black. You can also note the white part where it's written G-SKILL. Alright, this is the diffuser for the LED. Yes, they are LED, RGB. There is a sticker. There is 5 LED per stick. Okay, they are adjustable, of course, and you will see later what you are able to do. Not in this video though. Although at the end of the video, I will put kind of a B-roll, which is not from me, alright, but stick and look around, you can see what those modules are able to achieve, okay, as a mean of colors. Alright, so I will cut this short because it's almost finished and the B-roll will come soon. Yep, alright, like that. If you want to find out more about this kit, just look in the description down below. I will post all the details that I'm able to find and some spec too. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you do not, please do leave a comment and tell me why you do not like it. I would really like to know why. Although I'm not an expert on making video, but still, I'm here to learn, like you guys. Alright, so let's tidy up through this, and yes, that's about it. Alright, thanks guys, bye now.